matter the day every day. The way I see this news, that's how I throw away am here. That's how I can't see am. I dey agree. I can't see the thing. One governor of one state can't throw away for pay for can't throw away for air. Can't say anybody be say he get evidence. When he be say if he catch where people wey be caught his day, say the person get handsome reward. Now can't say now wow, the thing hot oh. Now I can say oga governor, you can't dey come say this kind of thing you can't throw away for here. Good like that. So now maybe come answer abeg. How many handsome reward they will give us if they say how go to they cash our leaders if they say then they carry our money, they carry our money, they embezzle and they go abroad. All these our leaders they say for secret court. When they say the secret court then the secret court then they say they can't enter and say they don't go let Nigeria, make Nigeria drink water drop cup. They don't go let Nigeria, make Nigeria they smile. They go they bring one problem or the other. Even as the masses they cry every day, they don't go even give us smile. So which kind of courts now this our leaders join our political leaders abeg how they want to expose the court wey dem join? Because if they say they not dey court, I don't see the reason why we say people wey be say they elect you for somewhere, these people they cry every day, yet their tears they touch your eye. Because this governor be say talk this thing now, so make this governor come hit chest now, come tell us now say since when you come up for school, when you come they grow, you not get anything concern related to Curtis. No be say as the governor talk the word, don't say the thing they bad. I know they support Curtis, so because I don't even they see and say even the Curtis of now they said the Curtis no they pay anything. No only mark now they get for body killing their self. Now be one thing now they see because when we say talk about Curtis, some Curtis now for positive, right? Some now for negative. But I want to say and say now some of the youths them come they take this Curtis as rubbish. Me I not support Curtis. But to come bring me come now, say this man can't talk this word now. This I come ask this governor, say, okay, governor. Now which day you don't enter street, make you come check this boys, say they join Curtis. So which day you don't go check them, make as maybe say you enter street, maybe say you can't relate, maybe say you can't find out, make you see what these boys they do for living. Because person when they busy, who person say they busy when you get job after school? Or maybe one street boy now they can't give him one kind of company. When you say maybe as your governorship day now, so you can't provide companies. You know, like can't provide like company they do biscuits, company they do plastic rubber, company say they do slippers. All these boys if say they want throw a handsome reward, so they will go and tell you where they. These boys and so them go they work because the Bible say an idle mind is the devil's workshop. As I talk am, I know they support Curtis, so but if they go, if this boy say they fine, so I swear some of them do your street, oh, then do your street. If you find out very well, some of them are your, they come from your village or governor. Some of them are your relation, some of them are your cousin, and then they for this Curtis. If God go do and make the people say you can't throw away this handsome reward, make them catch these people come, you go see and say your relation dey inside. Even one baby you don't date, if you don't date, that time say you never enter governorship. Maybe one of your side chick, you go surprise say a brother there among the Curtis. Because of waiting, you not help them, you not provide job for them, you not get what you do for them. Now me most of them join Curtis. Now so I can't see for news they say our oga when he be say our oga for Igbo. You understand? Our oga for Igbo. Now the car will be say he come, I think come out for after the whole thing they drag him for prison, drag him. As the guy come out, the guy can launch the Igbo security. The thing can surprise me, oh, as they yes say Igbo security, they don't launch and bam. Now they remove Fulani henchmen from road. It shock you. The news. I almost cry when I see the news. I say, are you serious? I think say that cow when I get Nigeria before now. Because they say cow go get their own camp. And this camp so they go must do them. Hazard, they call it Zabi Hazard. The team must go round all over the country. Nigeria, every state for Nigeria must provide where herdsmen go they take care of their cow. I can't surprise as they just launch the The IBOP, IPOP, the IBOP, as they just launch their security network, now they can't declare herdsmen to carry their cow comot for road. Hey, e good though. Sometimes he take the bull by the horn. As e be say they come warn them, say if any Igbo soul touch ground, like 10 military man go fall, 5 army go die, 10 police go poof. Now they will 20 Fulani herdsmen go enter ground, 50 Boko Haram members go poof. Now they withdraw cow from the whole country. May they come. So where then they now? So the land that they give them for each state, may they train their cow. What go happen to those lands? Una must go back. Oh. You see, herdsmen, carry your cow and go back now. I command you to take your cow from the north and go back to the east now. Or what? Or Jew empires. So, government, hey, northerners. So now know what they do before. So now no say the Igbos, Niger Delta are ready. Body for tell una, body for 10 northerners. Shebi one train cow. You know what they will do now? 10 cow to one Fulani herdsman, dig the grave, throw and put. 10 cow to one Fulani herdsman, dig the grave, throw and put. Highest cow go cause, they will go begin eat chicken. When you're going to ribezie or cocoa. Happy. I mean happy pass. So back to governor, they say one when you want give handsome reward. Oga beg, send the money to my account. Send the money. Because even me, as I did so, the problem when you say Nigeria youth they face, lack of employment, no job, no company, hunger full everywhere, coronavirus, they want to kill us. Only that thing they say they face. Now Curtis. What be Curtis? We get positive Curtis, abi? We get negative Curtis. Brotherhood do not get them. Some governors, if you know say you not there any brotherhood, say you never join any Curtis once. I beg, Oga governor, come handcuff me. Come handcuff me. As for the youth, when you say you look yourself finish, you say now to the go collect mark, kill your own fellow brother, because of say you dey Curtis. Now people like you, now in this handsome reward go cut up with, because I pity for you. If they ask you for your whole years, you don't gain for Curtis. Now mark for body. Me I know the day against this governor, but I only use this thing to tell the governor something. Who understand what I talk? Go understand what I talk. Who won't curse me? You are afraid to insult me. Those if you say they feel say, no, because no matter the hardship, not down go make you go join useless Curtis. Say you go there, you go carry cutlass, cut your own brother, carry cutlass, cut your own brother neck. Say because you dey fight cutlass. Now devil dey sound. Now devil dey sound. Una no get sense. Una be mumu youth. Mumu youth so you be. Must you kill your brother for Curtis? Must you murder your brother for Curtis? Must you cut your brother head off for Curtis? Who you dey cut the head for? Ayes, ants, blue bird, floating bird, flying bird, punica, this, that, red neck, red beret, black beret, yellow beret. What do you gain? Mark. Now you gain. Mark for what now you gain. Street now you gain. You know say me I get bad mouth. So if you want to insult me, insult me. If you see me for road, beat me. If I cry finish, I will talk to a worse pass that one. So me I know they against the governor, but I use brain tell the governor word. Before the governor go begin throw handsome reward, make the governor provide job. Make provide job. Provide job for the youth. Provide job for the youth. You go see them. Provide job for the youth. You go see them. You see this Curtis, you go reduce. You go reduce. Okay, and that one that's my content.